So 2 years ago, I'd made my first video, which was like Instagram Reel, and since then my life has changed. Let's take a look at the video. If you've been struggling to get consistent good sleep, then these tips could help you. Number one is sticking to the same sleeping schedule, especially waking up at the same time. Number two, eating your last meal 3 to 5 hours before sleep. Eating before sleep causes your metabolism to slow. So now when I look at the video, it's so funny to me because the video is so bad. I'm so cringe there. I don't have energy. I don't have passion in that video. But at that time I didn't care. I was passionate about the things what I was doing. Fitness, health, traveling, and I just wanted to start making the content. And sharing with other people. And the goal was hopefully inspire someone else as well, like prioritize their health, and become the best version of themselves. Not being like kind of bodybuilder, but just being the healthiest version of yourself, so you are the best version in day-to-day life. But at that time when I started to make those videos, I also got a lot of uh, how to say recommendations, from other people, friends, that I how to make these videos this way, or I how to talk that way. Maybe I should get better camera. My energy has to be better. Just giving these advices, kind of telling me like go lower, or change like that. And but they didn't even make a video themselves. They have never even picked up the camera. And they giving me advice thinking that they know what to do better. you know and I see a lot of people nowadays are doing that, or listening to that. A lot of people start their health and fitness journey of trying to become the best versions of themselves, going to the gym, eating healthy, getting in shape. And when you do that, maybe your also your friends, people around you, or maybe even family is telling you like, why are you doing that? Why are you training so hard? Why are you not eating a slice of pizza with me, or something? you know they not like support you, or telling you like, yes, you're doing good, keep going. Maybe some people do, or maybe your friends does it. But I think 90% of the time, most people are giving advice on what to do, and not complimenting, because it's easier to complain than to be like grateful, for someone else. And I'm really glad that I didn't take advice from those people, who were like making me a bit more down, or thinking of what I'm doing is maybe not the best idea. I'm really really glad that I didn't listen to them, because I've been making these videos like for kind of 2 years. First year of course was like trial and error. You learn. I invested in coaches, mentors, travel the world, open my mind, seeing, experiencing experiences, meeting a lot of people, and that was like the first years. And now 1 year already I don't work for no one else. I have not worked 9 to 5 job in already 1 year. I have my own business. I can travel wherever I want. I make pretty decent money, especially at my age, in my opinion. It's enough. But the most joyful thing that's really motivates me and keeps me like pushing forward is that, like, the people I work with, that I actually change people's lives. Like some clients, they text me, send me a message, hey Oscar, like, man, I have lost 30 pounds. I can already get back in my old clothes. I feel really good. My productivity, energy levels are back. They fucking feel great. They becoming that best version of themselves. And it's because of my like teachings, how I guide them. But it wouldn't be possible if I wouldn't start to make those videos. If I wouldn't make those videos, I would never got the chance to work with people now I'm working with. you know So again, I'm really grateful that I started to make those videos, and it's only been like 2 years, right? Just imagine like what's gonna be in the next 5 years, because our work or mission or goals, they are compounding each year. The same with money, right? You invest every year, and with the percentage, it's gonna just compound in more money. Even at one point you can stop, but the money still will be going up because you have invested the years, or the months. So I just wanted to make this quick video and give like a friendly reminder that don't listen to people who haven't done anything themselves. The people who are not in shape, they maybe smoke weed, drink alcohol, go out on weekends, have diabetes, cholesterol, they don't fit in good clothes, they have poor relationships, they don't have money. Don't listen to those people. Just focus on your vision, focus on your dreams, focus on your goals, and you're gonna be all right. Thanks for watching.